Are you searching for the best smoothie blender? You are in the right place for the getting the valuable information on the best smoothie blender. We recommended the top 5 best smoothie blender in this video. All of them are maintaining quality. If you want to buy the best smoothie blender, we think the list will be very helpful to you. Number 1. Ninja BL770 Mega Blender. It is one of the best overall smoothie blender. This blender has a powerful 1500 watt motor capable of crushing ice and frozen fruit and vegetables. It has an extra large 72 ounce pitchers and an additional 64 ounce processor bowl. The stackable and offset blades these units proves do a much better job blending than a blend with a single blade at the bottom. It comes with two 16-ounce smoothie cups to take your creation on the road, and cleanup is easy with removable blades and a soft press front panel. Number 2. Cuisinart CPB 300 Blender. This blender with an upscale designing with its stainless steel trim. The personal blender packs plenty of power with a 350 watt motor. There are controls of pulsing, low speed blending and high speed blending, which are housed on a electric touchpad with LED indicator lights. This blender is powerful, durable and long lasting too. The 15 pieces set includes a 32 ounce blender jar, which allows you to make either 4 or 8 ounces smoothie serving and two 16 ounce servings. The cups comes with a lid and are BPA free and dishwasher safe for first cleanup. It also comes with two blades, one at the blending and one is the chopping, an 8 ounce chopping cup and set of 4 16 ounce travel cups. Number 3. Cuisinart CPB 380 Juicing Blender. This is the blender for when you are tight on space but do not want to compromise on performance and options. The rotary dial controls to be easy to use for low, high and pulse, the measurement making are clear. And the jar is easy to grip and get on and off on the base. It features a 32 ounce jar and two 16 ounce travel cups with lid. One is single wall and the other is double wall and perfect for keeping your smoothie cold. Keep in the mind that getting the blade and off can be a little tricky. To twist on, turn left and to twist off, turn right. Number 4. Blendtec Classic 575 Blender. This pick has blunt stainless steel blades that crush ice and frozen fruit with 5 speed settings and 1560 watt of power. There are safe cleaning settings. Drop soap and water into the jar, hit the cleaning button and it does the job for you. There are also easy blending circle, one touch button, 4 pre-programmed circle pulse and 5-speed manual control with the ability to achieve a variety of texture, complete control to the adjust your blending at the time while blending. LED displays shows blending cycle time remaining. No chopping prep saves times and never a need to chop, slice or dice in the advance of blending. The patented blade is 80% thicker stainless steel forged blade with wings for amazingly smooth blend. Note, blade is not the sharp blade is dull, no more cuts and pokes. Number 5. Vitamix Series 750 Blender. This blender is sleek and comes in 3 distinct finishes: copper metal, black and brushed stainless metal. It looks great in any kitchen and fits in perfectly with another high-end decor. Beyond the great exterior, it has 5 pages and programs that gives it a ton of versatility. There is a smoothie opinion alongside puree, frozen dessert and self-cleaning and hot soap. All you needed to do this to flip in a switch and instantly get the drink you want. There is also an extra auto stop functioning, so you do not have to turn off the machine when it is done blending. That helps you get the perfect smoothie consistency every time you make yourself a fruit treaty. Even the 10 speed selector helps you manually control the speed to exact range you want. Beyond that, another bonus of the Betamax is the 2.2 horsepower motor. The extra punch works quickly and chopped up all ingredients in a matter of seconds. The machine is relatively quiet,